In this video, I'll talk about how you can add Google Analytics to a Shopify store. Now, if you head over to the Help Center, they'll have a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So first you want to do the step 1, create a Google account and Google Analytics account. Now you need both of these before it works, so make sure you do that. Now it's gonna put some links here, and you can just type for the setting up Google Analytics for on Google, and you'll come to this Help Center where you can click on the links. So it's going to show you how you can make a Google account, how you can make a Google Analytics account. So once you've done that, make sure you click on these and follow the steps. After that, you want to create your Google Analytics property. So here you can create your new and add it to a Shopify store. After that, what you want to do is create a web data stream, and you'll need a tag ID. And like I said, you can click on these buttons and it will show you how you can do it. Once you've done that, what you want to do is do this: install the Google and YouTube sales channel to your Shopify store, and just simply follow the steps from in there to set up your Google tag. Once you've done that, you can link them together and it will not be done. So that is basically how it works. Now, like I said, I suggest you head over to this Google Analytics for Shopify page so you can click on the links and follow the steps. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.